Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox Oppo K1. The box looks standard and it's a 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM model available in India, and the SAR level is also acceptable. So let me take my reliable knife and let's peel off the plastic. And now let's take off the lid. It's one tough box. Okay, the next inside we get a few documentations. Let me open it. So now here we find a SIM ejector tool and a TPU case and some documentations like warranty and information guide, quick guide, which no one reads, so they should use that in electronic form and not in paper. Go green. So this is the TPU case, and now let's see what's beneath the phone. So let's get the phone first. Okay, so now let's check. This is the earphone, which is a nice addition as we don't get it often these days. And this is a normal charger with 5V 2A and a micro USB cable for charging and data syncing. Now let's get to phone. The additional cost of including an AMOLED screen was due to the in-screen fingerprint reader, which isn't something that can be done using an LCD panel. And the back looks gorgeous. Let me peel off that sticker as well. Okay, now let's boot it. The screen has punctured color, and if you like a used screen then you will love it. And let me show you how it looks. And first let me show you on right side. It has a power button all alone on the right side, and on above the front camera you can see an earpiece, and on the left side you can find volume rocker, and above it you can find a dual SIM plus micro SD card. Let me just show you. And here it is. So now on the top you can find secondary microphone, and below you will find speaker grill, micro USB and downward facing headphone jack with the primary microphone. So now let's get to the software part. So this device is running on Color OS 5.2, which is latest. And let me show you the Android version as well when we are here. So you can find the Android version 8.1 and the Color OS is version 5.2. So they should have included a Pi rather than a Oreo, but let's hope for best. And the best thing about this is the security patch, which is for the month of January 2019. And also other stuff. You can see the device storage available is 45GB. Now let's check some specifications. So the 4GB RAM is LPDDR4, which is common, and Snapdragon 660, which is underclocked. And there are many sensors available: accelerometer, light, proximity, magnetometer, gyroscope. So that's it. Now let's check some important things. That is wideband support, and it does not support L1 which is not a bummer because these days these kind of devices don't support this, but they should have included it. But what can we do? That's that. And let me show you how fingerprint sensor works, and it's very fast for an in-screen fingerprint, because if you get the hang of it, it will work wonders for you. I did not think it would be faster like that, because from what I heard it wouldn't be faster, but it is faster, as you can see. And I don't believe in gaming review, because already you know how Snapdragon 660 works. Even though this is an underclocked chip, it handles everything pretty well, and as you can see, everything is snappier and faster. So now let's check some display settings, and here you can find a warmer tone or a cooler tone as you like, but let me keep it in default because that's the best. And something to finish with, the security, it has app lock and various other things to improve your security, and the face unlock also works great. It's fast, and the notifications, these settings you can check later on when you get your device. So that's it for today. How was the unboxing? If you liked the video, then please hit subscribe and like the video, and see you in another video.